Now students, let's start about our new chapter, Climate of India. Here you can see images. It is of summer season. Here it is rain and clouds are there. Here it is raining. Now see climate in India. A period of a year when a particular type of weather is expected is called a season, and weather is a day-to-day change in atmosphere around us. Climate, the weather of a place over a long period of a time is called climate. Now see, seasons can be summer, monsoon, retreating monsoon, winter. Weather forecast help us to know if it is going to be sunny or cloudy, or if it will rain or snow. India has a tropical monsoon climate. Factors that determine climate are first, distance from the sea, altitude of a place. As much as we will go high up on the hills, the altitude will increase. Distance from the equator, amount of rainfall, direction of winds. Now see what is weather. Weather is a day-to-day change in atmosphere around us. The weather of a place may change continuously. Weather may even change within a few hours in a day. Does the weather tell us about the condition of a sunshine, rain, wind, snow, and temperature of a particular place at a certain time? You may have heard the weather news on television and radio, or seen it on the internet. The information on how the weather will be the next day or in a further is known as weather forecast. A weather forecast is helpful for many people whose work is affected by the weather. For example, a farmer may want to know about the temperature at the time of sowing seeds. Weather forecast also warns people about storms, heavy rainfall, and bad weather condition of a region. Now see what is climate. The weather condition of a large area over a long period of a time is called its climate. The place that gets little or no rainfall may over many years will have a dry climate. For example, Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, a place that stays cool for most of the year, will have a cold climate. For example, Ladakh. The weather of a place changes daily, but the climate of a place may not change for several years. The climate of a place influences the lifestyle and the living there, the clothes they wear, the food they eat, the types of houses they build, the crops they grew.